thank you for staying and sharing this live stream. So guys, keep on sharing this live stream. If you want to donate and send some love for my mom, we have GCash, PPI, and you may send stars. And I would like to thank our GCash contributors, Joffrey Liarena, Ami Melfun? Tawan-tawa. Yoko mo ko. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spend on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. Love song, I'll be sick. Turn your back on tomorrow, but you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone, man, I fuck that shit. I be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing, made it from the bottom. Now when you sing, I'm stunning. Yun na yun. Good na yun sila. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All these fairy tales are full of shit. One more more fucking love song, I'll be sick.